Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the no commentary bug in EAFC 24. So the first thing you should do whenever you have the issue with a Steam game is to run a file integrity check. To do this for EAFC24, just in your Steam library, right click on EAFC24, then select the properties. Go to the installed files, click on the verify integrity of game files, then wait for Steam to complete the verification. This process should take a couple of minutes at most and could fix not only the commentary bug but also other EAFC 24 issues you may have not encountered yet. Next is to change the EAFC24 language settings. If you still can't hear the commentary after the integrity checked, then it's time for another Steam trick. You can fix the no commentary bug in EAFC24 by changing the game's Steam language settings. This is even easier to do than the integrity check. So right click on the EAFC24 in your Steam library and select properties. From the general tab, switch the language to something other than its current setting. Launch EAFC24, then close it. Don't need to play or spend time in the game. Go back to the general properties and change the language settings to the original language that you want. And then launch EAFC24 again, and the no commentary bug should be fixed. Next is to enable the custom camera settings in EAFC24. There's a third slightly unusual fix that works for some players. Switching to custom camera settings can also fix the no commentary bug in EAFC24 if nothing else works. So you can do this easily from the main menu. Open the customize and go to the settings and finally game settings. In the camera tab, scroll down to the custom camera settings and make sure it's set to the custom. You can also adjust the height and zoom of the camera as well as setting it to custom to maximize your chances of fixing the no commentary bug in EAFC 24. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye.